Good morning. Jess and I are on the train at Nanchang Station. I think that's how you pronounce it. We left Jiaoxi this morning. We checked out of our hotel and we're going west to Taichung for one night. So we got a taxi from Jiaoxi to Taipei, and from Taipei we booked the high-speed rail down to Taichung. But what is normally a 40-minute drive took about an hour and a half or more because there was so much traffic on the roads, thanks to bank holiday weekend, I guess, and people are travelling home. Our Uber driver was amazing. I think this is the first Uber driver we've had that speaks a bit of English, so that was really useful. But also he was amazing. He was like, you're gonna miss your train, so he's brought us to Nanchang Station instead, because he said Taipei main station, where our ticket is actually from, is 10 kilometers away, and it would have meant we missed the train. This way we've actually made it to the train on time.
Yeah,
we've got our seats, we're not rushing. We're always rushing for trains, aren't we?
He saved us 30 quid, I think it cost us, didn't it, in total? The total ticket would have, if we missed it, which I think we would have done,
yeah,
we wouldn't have got to Taipei
£34.
because he said it's still 10 kilometers away.
Yeah,
and that worked out to be another half an hour.
Yeah, but then he just still went above and beyond though, because he parked up the car and then he spoke to the lady, and the lady obviously must have said they need to buy a ticket from Nanchang to Taipei first. So he ran to go and pay for the ticket, so just ran after him.
Yeah,
and he was going to buy our tickets
he
for us.
He bought the tickets, but then he wouldn't take my money because I said, look, I saw him pay for it, and he still wouldn't take the money, but I just threw at him, kind of thing. So he took it.
Did you give him enough?
I'll give him enough. Yeah, I think it only cost $70, and I'll give him 100.
Oh, okay,
which
fine.
is alright.
Yeah, and he wasn't going to take the money. Like, people, I just don't think they like to take money or tips or whatever. Anyway, we finally made it on the train. The train is very nice. It's very spacious. There's so much legroom. I feel like I could sit on the floor here and stretch out my legs and just about hit the next seat. There's Jess. Sit back. There.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, and it reclines.
There's no one behind me, don't worry.
And there's like tables here where you can like work on your laptop. Yeah, it's really nice, and they're really spacious. The seats are a little bit narrow. They're kind of like theatre seats in the UK, but I mean, yeah, this is only going to take us, well, now it will take us an hour and 15 minutes. We didn't book the fastest train because the timings didn't work out for us, but the fastest you could get from Taipei to Taichung is 47 minutes. So yeah, so we're at Taichung Station and our hotel is a 30-minute drive away. Oh, I think we have to scan our ticket to get out. Nobody actually checked our tickets on the train. I was a bit confused, but I think this is the point where they check when you go in and out of the barriers at the station. We are going to look for a coffee. It's been quite a long travel day, but it's been very efficient. Also, can I just say, I went to the toilets, expected them to be absolutely gross, and they were the cleanest like train station toilets I think I've ever been to in my entire life. The app that you use to buy train tickets, so you go to My Ticket here. That was the train that we were on, and that's the QR code. Really cool. We're in Starbucks and these two men just gave us a cake. We've been sat here chatting to them for ages. It was so nice.
And also it's your birthday tomorrow as well, so that's
so it worked out really well. So I've gone and got a knife and I'm going to share it with them. It's actually okay. We have been in that Starbucks for about 2 hours. We got talking to a man from Taipei. His dad lives in Taichung, and they were both here together because he'd come to visit. And they were just so nice. They were asking us all about our travels and what like foods we've tried, how we. Oh, just straight ahead, pickup area. 1F. No, left. Anyway, they were asking how we find the food here and if we've had any like surprises with local cuisine and stuff. And I said no, because obviously we eat quite a lot of Asian food at home anyway, and London's very diverse, but also we travel to like Southeast Asia almost every year, so we just love this type of food. Anyway, I mentioned that I really like the mochi because I've not really been keen on like Taiwanese mochi in London, but it's fresh here, so it's not like Japanese mochi. It's not full of ice cream. It's normally full of like red bean paste and like some sort of fruit. And the man walked off and he went and got me a box of mochi. His son gifted me an egg cake. And I'm just like, what? We were like, no. And they're like, yes, take it. Into our room and I'm desperate for a wee, but I have to show you. I am blown away. What? It is huge. Oh my God, there's a massive table there as well. I hadn't seen this. Oh my God, this is incredible. Wow, I want this sofa in my house. Okay, this is the sort of hotel room I just need to live in. Oh look, there's people doing a photo shoot on a train track. Oh, that's quite cool. I want to go there. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this view. I will show you. What's that? They said that the minibar is complimentary. Slippers. The last hotel did not have slippers, and they made me bring my own luggage to the room, which I did not really appreciate. Oh, okay. Water. We get bottles of water. That's all I need in my life. Fall out the mirror?
It's discreet, right? Check this out.
This is fabulous! Oh my God. Hold on, move your arm. Oh my God. How far? Okay, this is the mirror. I need this in my house. I'm going to show you the bathroom. I need to wee. Oh my God. Are you doing something with the lights? Sorry, I just...
Cozy, bright, apparently.
This is the life I could get used to. Is there a shower? Oh my God. How nice is this? Okay, this says pool. Okay, loo, Japanese toilet, standard. They're everywhere. This is massive. Oh my God. Okay, can you just tell I love a nice hotel more than life itself. This is the kind of thing that makes me so happy. I'm not leaving this hotel room. This is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye. Is it closed?
No.
First things first, we're off to explore the pool. It's an outdoor pool too, which makes me very happy because I don't like an indoor pool. We are probably going to spend most of our time here in this hotel because the only two things that I really wanted to see in Taichung was that it's this place which is the birthplace of bubble tea, although I don't think I'll be able to drink it because it will have milk in it and they probably won't have dairy-free options. And oh, we had to try the cake, but the man gave us a cake. Yeah, so we've kind of done that already, but this hotel is far too nice to just not spend time in. So they have a rooftop bar. I think that's Pano 24, which we want to go to later, and then the pool and the gym area on the 23rd floor. Swimming pool this way. Squeaky shoes. This is the gym area. So I think you've got to have to climb the stairs to go up to the 23rd floor, but look at this. Wow, the views from here. Absolutely stunning. Really? Oh my God, this is like my favourite machine at the gym. Oh, it is, and they've got the attachment. They've got the foot attachment as well, which they do not have at Pure Gym.
Oh.
That's the leg attachment, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Wow, that's actually really impressive. Puts my £20 monthly membership to shame. Can't really film because there's people in the pool, but it's an infinity pool. It's not huge, but I wanted to show you this, which I think is really cute. So you can order your drinks and you press a buzzer to call the bartender. They don't have a massive drinks menu, but there's enough. I'm getting a ginger ale, of course. And there we go. Jess is picking a restaurant for us. Oh, this is the lift with the view. Let me show you. There we go. How cool is this lift? Who needs to pay for a viewpoint when you're staying in a hotel like this? I filmed an off-the-cuff video about how much I love this place, and it really sounds like an ad. I mean, I totally wish it was an ad. But we're finally leaving the hotel. Which way?
Okay,
I think it was this way, to go out for dinner. We only had breakfast this morning. We've had a few snacks. Oh, a little bit of cake. The man that bought me a birthday cake. Let me show you this lobby. Hello. Hello. What's up there? Oh, it's really cool. It's directing us, but I really like your shirt, Jess.
Thank you.
It's the first time he's wearing it. I made him buy it, mostly because it's very Nishi. If I didn't have boobs, I'd totally be borrowing that. But I think this is this the shopping centre? No, it's Taichung station. So the station we were at earlier was the high-speed rail station. This is their main train station in this city. Not gonna lie, this is very disappointing. I ordered soup dumplings and I got dumplings in soup. I mean, the lady is very nice. This isn't quite what I expected for a nice dinner in a nice restaurant. I got some veggie duck roll and just got some Thai fried rice. It's just too hot for soup. Well, this smells very seaweedy when you get up close. The soup was decent, but it wasn't quite what I wanted. I can't pronounce this word, but this is a vegetarian okonomiyaki. It's a Japanese kind of pancake.
It looks like a pancake.
I think it's like noodles that are pan fried. Yeah. So it's noodles on the bottom.
Or something.
Oh, she has cut it in four like a pizza, but obviously it's hard to tell. The Chung are so busy at night. I feel like it's busier here than it was in Taipei. We've just walked through the station because we're on the other side, and I was thinking earlier today, we haven't seen any homeless people here or any beggars, and this man that we got talking to in Starbucks, he said to me, just wait until you get to Taichung station at night. And oh my god, there are so many homeless people here. I mean, I assume they're homeless, but they're not actually begging for any money. They're all just sleeping on cardboard sheets, and they seem to have all their belongings with them. There's a lot here. I've not seen any others in Taiwan throughout the entire time we've been here so far. The roads here are really busy and they have crossing guards everywhere. We finally made it to Taroko Mall, which is where this bubble tea shop is. Oh, it's boiling hot. It's so humid. Our faces are like super shiny. Jin's is apparently a place where you can get glasses made in 30 minutes. It's really cool.
Oh, okay.
I've heard about this in Taipei actually. Okay, we finally found it after walking around for ages. A lot of people here obviously struggle to read English, understandably so they couldn't see my Google Maps. But yeah, it's this way. We definitely wouldn't have found this if we hadn't have asked, but it's basically a restaurant that, where bubble tea was created. We are in Pano 24. It's a relatively nice rooftop bar in our hotel. Obviously, if we'd have arrived earlier, we would have been able to see the view, but there's not much there, to be honest. Like, not the buildings aren't lit up and stuff like that. I mean, it's only 9:30 p.m. Dinner was okay. How's your cocktail, Jess?
It's different, it's nice. It's called New York Whiskey Sour, and it's got red wine in it as well.
Yeah, red wine and whiskey.
I've got used to it.
Yeah, I've got a margarita. There's something strange about it, and I can't figure out what it is.
It's not pina colada, is it?
But also, I'm such a lightweight. I get drunk very quickly.
Cheap date.
Yeah, I am a cheap date. I've barely had any alcohol. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna have to cut out because of the commercial music in the background, but yeah. It's my birthday tomorrow. It's my birthday in 2.5 hours.
It's your birthday. Hey, shorty, it's your birthday. Cakey. I don't know how you just... What did I
Jas never knows the lyrics to anything, ever. Do you ever know the lyrics to
Not
anything?
really. I know the beats.
Yeah. I just don't know, how do you spend your life like not knowing lyrics to songs? Although I'm really weird, I know the lyrics to like everything,
No,
even if I don't like the song.
Cry. See, that's a few words, isn't it? I don't know.
Oh, is that it?
I don't know words to the song called Tequila. I don't know how that goes.
I'm so drunk, I accidentally stopped recording.
Okay.
Anyway, I am quite tipsy. And it's also disgustingly hot outside, isn't it?
Yes.
Every single Taiwanese person we have met in the past like 3, 4, 5 days, when we've told them we're travelling south down the country, they're like, oh, you're not ready, like it gets really hot. And oh my god, we're only at we've still got 3 more destinations after this one. Oh, it just gets hotter and hotter. And this evening, there was no sun, it was the evening, we were walking back from the restaurant. Oh, we went on a wild goose chase for some bubble tea, the most famous bubble tea shop in Taiwan where it was invented. It was a long walk to get there. They don't do vegan milk and they don't do any bubble tea without milk. So I was very, very annoyed about that. So that was a waste of my time. And when we were walking back, we both had sweat dripping off the back of our necks. It's very, very humid, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't know how I'm going to cope. Now, I said I wasn't going to vlog today because it's my birthday and also we're just checking out this glorious hotel in Taichung, but I feel like I'm really having a Ross from Friends moment. We currently have 11 more minutes and I'm trying to make the most of my time here. This hotel room has been absolutely fabulous. I've loved every minute of our stay here. The service has been really nice as well because the two things don't always go hand in hand. But I'm wearing all black today. Oh, you had the key?
Yeah.
Oh, right. And I'm wearing Jass's socks because I've officially don't have any clean socks left. I only bought 5 pairs of socks with me, but we've been washing and going. We had a very nice birthday breakfast in bed. Jass went and got me a coffee. And we had the cake and the mochi that the man and his dad bought for us yesterday. So we thought, a very sweet breakfast, I know, but we thought let's eat it because it's quite a lot to carry. And as you can see, we've got a lot of luggage. I've done quite a bit of shopping in Shanghai and in Taipei. And I want to do a bit more in Kaohsiung when we get there. So anyway, we are off to Sunmoon Lake today. We just found this place on Google that had very good reviews. It's like a buffet style, and so far I've just tried some of the green stuff. I have no idea what anything is. There's 3 dishes that contain egg and 1 that contains milk, cheese and egg, which is this like pancakey thing. The rest is all vegan. Yeah, and it just looks really good. I gave Jass like this portion of rice, you have to help yourself, and the lady told me off and she said that my portions are too small. She said you're supposed to fill it like a dome, not so that it's flat. And I was thinking, you're losing money here, woman, but people are so nice here. Anyway, I'm very excited to tuck into this. We had the most fabulous lunch. I have got the Google Maps location for it, so I will put that in a blog post because many places are difficult to find or they don't have English names, so you really need the exact location on Google Maps. And this was one of the nicest meals I've had in a very long time. It was excellent. Also love, I can go to like a buffet place and eat pretty much, well, I can eat everything if I wanted to eat eggs. I barely eat eggs in the UK, so I just don't know how I feel about eating them abroad. But yeah, we're about to get a taxi and head to Sunmoon Lake. We were initially going to get the bus, but A, it is super, super humid. B, the bus takes, what, 2 hours? A taxi takes an hour. And I'm just like, I'm not about that life. Yeah, it's about £45, but you know, whatever. Not like backpacking on this trip. So yeah, we're going to do that. I'm going to end this video here. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.